Did you know that Cat Stevens secretly created the blueprint for today's biggest pop hits after converting to Islam? When Stevens became Yusuf Islam in 1977, he didn't just change his name, he dove deep into Islamic musical traditions and discovered something that would change pop music forever. Yusuf spent decades studying Arabic maqam scales and Middle Eastern composition techniques. He figured out how to blend these ancient Eastern sounds with Western pop structures in ways nobody had tried before. This wasn't just world music fusion, this was something completely new. Here's the crazy part, those haunting melodies you hear in The Weeknd's biggest hits, that's Middle Eastern maqam influence. Dua Lipa's hypnotic vocal runs, straight from Arabic musical traditions. Even Drake uses these Eastern scales that trace back to Yusuf's innovations from the 80s and 90s. While everyone thought Yusuf Islam disappeared from music, he was actually creating the secret formula that dominates today's charts. His spiritual journey into Islamic music gave us the global sound that makes modern pop so addictive. The man who sang Peace Train literally trained today's pop stars without them even knowing it.